one of the ones that I had set up.
So Lori's trying to get all these various lines into one bag so she could take it to West Marine and have the whole system repaired. As usual, you do most of these things by yourself, and I'm like in the background. But can I help you, like move the bag?
No.
You sure?
See, I don't need this one. This was my extra rope. I don't need that.
So now she has to undo this whole mechanism and just take what she really needs. And she'll explain to the guy repairing the rope, the line, that we have a new beam. It's not 15 anymore, it's now 25, and he needs to adjust the bridle to accommodate for that, correct?
Yep.
And maybe he could suggest to you something that could make the lock system a lot easier to disengage, because I know it was really hard for you to disengage it.
Yeah,
because
but it is a great shackle. I need to do it with a tool. That's really good.
Yeah, so ask her for some tips as to maybe you just have to oil it, or maybe there's another manner in which to do that. Okay?
Oh, that reminds me. Right back.
So we're going to keep loading this bag with a lot of line. How long do you think that line is? I bet you it's about 200 feet
No,
at least.
I don't think it. I thought it was, but it was much shorter than I remembered it. I think it's more like, I don't know, maybe 30.
30
40.
feet?
Behind the
30,
bar.
40 feet?
Well, it was probably about the width of this channel.
Well,
behind
that's
the
width
moat.
of the channel is like.
I know, but to that boat over there. So what is the width of the channel?
The width of the channel is 50 feet.
50?
Yeah.
So then we stick out 25, that sticks out 25. So 25 feet? No,
No,
that's
I
not
think
right.
it's at least 50 feet.
Yeah, 50.
Okay, so we got 50 feet of line with a shackle and a bridle and a what do you call the lock on the shackle there?
This? The loop? I don't know.
No, not the loop. Is that?
This? Shackle?
Well, that's a shackle, and then the other thing
No.
that the one
I
that
called
you
it a
need to open
shackle
up.
also.
Well, you call everything a shackle, but it's really not the proper name. Can you find out the
Do I
proper
know
name?
what it's called? No.
Can you ask him for the proper name?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Now Rami is actually going to help me carry this off the boat. Can you imagine?
No, that's unbelievable.
Yeah.
You know I'm going to end up doing something?
Uh-huh.
The hard part, the carrying part I got to do.
Okay, I'm set.